guys, good morning. I want to talk to you about this 442 right here. This guy brought this 442 to us. This is an absolute beautiful car. It was restored somewhere, brought to us, and he was complaining of the taillights wasn't working, and the key in the trunk, he put the key in and he turned the key and it wouldn't open the trunk. It was working, then it quit working. And then the horn didn't work, and the radio, and some other odds and ends. So we got to talking to him, and super nice guy. And he says, well, I'd like to have it cleaned up under the hood. He didn't really know why the trunk, wouldn't open. And he said, hey man, can you get all this figured out for us? I'm like, yeah, sure. And so we got talking to him, and I suggested us to clean the wiring harness up under the hood. The wiring didn't look professional. The car looked great, how they did it. It's just your old conventional, let me, just put the wires where they go and leave them in the factory connectors and harnesses and everything. So what we did is we actually cleaned the wiring harness up, and we wrap all our wiring harnesses like this and wrap them on the engine nice and clean. And then our radiator hoses, heater hoses, all that stuff, we wrap them and make them nice and clean looking. So all that was just stuck in there. And then we found that the trunk lock, he'd put the key in, and the back of the trunk lock is made like out of Babbitt material. It's like aluminum, really light, compressed aluminum. And when he put the key in, he turned it, and just unfortunate that lock had broke, that rod that's in there that actually pops the trunk, that rod broke. And so that was the problem with the trunk, which was little things, whatever. But that just goes to show you guys, no matter how much you put into the car, little things like that right there really matter. That under the hood, tucking in wires and everything really matters when you're at a car show and you're man, that really looks good. That's kind of like eye candy for people, especially when you got a car this nice, or any car, but especially I've seen cars that don't really look the greatest out here. They open the hood, man, and they're just beautiful. So it's a conversation piece, and people are proud of their rides. They're proud to drive them. And here at A3 Customs, man, we're proud to make these dreams come true. And we're also proud to do this kind of work and have the integrity to make things look right, so that when you go to a car show, man, y'all are opening the hoods and there's just like, people are like, man. So you want people to adore your car, because sometimes, you're just like, hey, I put a lot of time and effort in the car and I kind of want it right. So it didn't cost this man a lot of money, although he probably thought it was going to cost him a lot. He made that, hey, how much is that going to be, and this and that. It really isn't that bad. So if you have this kind of problem and you really want it dressed up under the hood and cleaned up, man, come and see us. This is kind of what we do. I get current on this thing, man, and he worked till like 10:30 last night on this thing, but he got it phenomenally finished. It looks good, looks great. I'll show you a little bit of what he took out of it. That's some of the stuff he discontinued out of the car. I will tell you, like, that there was his power wire to the alternator, and then this stuff was wrapped with black tape. The whole wiring harness just had black tape wrapped around it. It had this stuff on it. I mean, that's not the hot rod classic custom wrap you want to put on your wires. So like I said, we do this here. We make all these harnesses. We do all this in house. But man, this car is a beaut. So down here at A3 Customs, man, we're trying to make your dreams come true. Clean the engine bays up, make the cars look good. We don't have to do a full restoration for you, but we can actually help you fix this right here too. So anybody out there needs this done, come see us. We can help you at A3 Customs. Thank you.